it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week's episode was inspired by a trip to the UPS store where I picked up a brochure that featured a locked cross-fold technique, which then inspired me to dig through the archive to find other examples of the strategy to compare. I've got 3 locked cross techniques to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is the brochure from the UPS store. They're using a half-moon die cut technique to tuck the opposing panel into the cover. As you open it up, you see that all 4 of the panels are curved and that there's a 4-panel accordion nested on the inside that's designed to drive customers to a mobile experience. Next up is a sample that uses a basic slit technique to tuck one shaped panel into another panel. The slit virtually disappears when it's not in use. Open it up and you'll find a 5-panel accordion fold with rounded corners, which is a really nice design detail and goes with the curved corners on the panels of the crossfold carrier. I love how the cover image is complete when the tab is tucked in. Lastly, a sample that feels really timely given that Valentine's Day is right around the corner. This fun customer Valentine uses a pull-through technique to bring shaped sections of the panels underneath through a vertical slit in the cover to lock it closed. I love the opening experience, the varnish effects, the bold colors, and the simplicity of the layout and messaging on this one. All 3 techniques, the half-moon tab, the slit, and the pull-through, worked really well in application, so there is no right or wrong in the design decision. It's all about preference and practicality. All 3 locked crosses can hold light materials, and all 3 required scoring, die cutting, and hand assembly to close. So now it's up to you. Which is your favorite technique? A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.